Hey, Thyra,
What?
can you teach me this TikTok dance?
Yeah, how'd it go?
Body, yada, 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 yada.
That dance is way too inappropriate for you.
But how?
It does way too much moving, and there's a word in it that you do not need to know yet.
What word is it?
It's a part of the body. Women have it, men also have it.
Come on. You can do it.
I'm not gonna say it.
Then don't bring it up.
You still don't need to be singing that song.
Did you give birth to me? I don't think so. Don't tell me what to do. Body, yada, 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 yada.